Okay, we're still here turning off the balcony floor / roof covering on this balcony deck. So you see this one has a AC unit, and our guy is actually holding it up from the ground. We got it off the ground so we can try to get that asphalt off of there. This one actually had, as you can see here, what we call a 1/2-inch fiberboard on it, and also a rubber torch down, and it had hot asphalt, and then rubber torch down over top of the hot asphalt there. And as you can see, it's pretty intense here. Okay, we'll be back to show you our next phase there. Okay, we're at the second phase of the deck tech installation, where the unit owner down below had a leak. This is a balcony floor / roof covering. So you can see our technician is setting the membrane underneath the AC unit. Okay, we're all finished here. So yeah, we've got the new deck tech patio / roof covering on. Got 2 new drains in, one right here and one over here. And this covering comes with a 10-year material warranty and a 10-year workmanship warranty. So yeah, this is the finishing product of it.